In this tutorial, we will see how we can download and install the VS Code Java JDK and how we can set up the VS Code in order to run Java programs. So here what I have done is I have opened up the Edge browser and then I have opened up the google.com, and then here I have entered the search term as VS Code coding pack for Java, and then we will hit the enter key and we will search, and the first search result is from code.visualstudio.com Java in Visual Studio Code. We will click on that. It will open up the page which says Java in Visual Studio Code. Here we will scroll down and we can see the option install the coding pack for Java, Windows and Mac OS. Since I'm using the Windows operating system in here, I will click on this install the coding pack for Java, Windows. It will download that. This tool helps us to install VS Code, Java JDK and all the required extensions for Java programming in one go. So now once the download is complete, we will click on this open file. It will open up the coding pack for Java. The first thing that we do is we will accept the terms and license agreement, and then we will click on next. Now it will check the components that are installed. For example, it will check whether Java JDK is installed or not. In my computer, it is not installed. Then it will check whether the VS Code is installed. Again, in my computer, it is not installed. So whatever the components that are not installed, it will install that. So in order to install it, we have to click on this install. It will automatically download and install the Java JDK and the VS Code and also the required extensions for Java programming. We just have to wait for this process to complete. Now it is installing the Java JDK. If it asks for any permission, then click on yes and provide the permission. Once the JDK is installed, it will download and install VS Code. So as you guys can see, VS Code is installing right now. Now once the VS Code is installed, it will install all the required extensions for Java programming in VS Code. The good thing is we don't have to do anything manually. Everything will be done in one setup. So after installing everything, we will check this option which says launch Visual Studio Code, and then we will click on the finish. It will open up the VS Code. So now let us see how we can create a Java project and run that. For that, we will click on this view and then we will click on this command palette, and here we will type in Java create Java project. We will click on this option. Once I click on that, it will ask us to select the build tool. I'm going to choose this no build tools, and after that it will open up this dialog window where we have to select the folder in order to store the Java project. I'm going to go to my desktop and here I'm going to create a new folder. I will call it as Java programming. You guys can give any name. And after that, I'm going to open up this Java programming folder, and then I will click on this select the project location. After that, here it will ask me to enter the name for the project. Since it is a test project, I'm going to name it as Hello World, and after entering the name, I have to hit the enter key in my keyboard. Once I hit the enter key, the Java project will be created. Now here it says, do you want to trust the authors? Yes, I trust the authors. After that, here we can see in this Explorer window, Java project is created. Now if I open up the source folder, then I can see app.java. If I click on that, it will open up this Java program. So now here we can see a simple Java program is present which will display the text Hello World on the screen. In order to run this, we will go to the top right section. We can find this play like icon, and also we can find this down arrow. If I click on this arrow, then I can find the options to run Java and debug Java. I will click on this run Java, and once I do that, if it asks for any permission, click on allow and provide the permission. It will be asked in the first run. Now here we can see the output of this Java program, which is Hello World. So this is how we can install Java in VS Code, and this is how we can run a Java project. If you like the video, hit the like button, and for more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.